How cloud computing works. It all starts with a user request. A user initiates a request, such as uploading a file, accessing a service, or running an application, through their internet-connected device, for example phone, laptop, or tablet. Request sent to the cloud. The request travels through the internet to a remote cloud server located in a data center. This is facilitated by the cloud service provider, such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. Then, data processing. The cloud server processes the request. For example, if it's a file upload, the data is stored securely. If it's an application request, the server runs the application. For computation-heavy tasks, like AI or simulations, the server allocates resources to complete the task. Resource allocation. The cloud allocates virtual resources, like storage space, memory, or CPU power, based on the request. This is dynamic, meaning the system can scale resources up or down as needed. Storage or execution. Data is stored in cloud servers using distributed systems to ensure redundancy and reliability. Applications or software are executed on powerful remote servers, eliminating the need for users to depend on their local hardware. Data security. During processing or storage, the data is encrypted to ensure privacy and security. Advanced security protocols prevent unauthorized access. Result delivered. The processed data or requested resource is sent back to the user's device. For example, the user sees their uploaded file, streams a video, or gets computational results. Data replication and backup. Simultaneously, the cloud creates multiple copies of the data across different servers in various geographic locations to ensure high availability and disaster recovery. Continuous monitoring. The cloud infrastructure continuously monitors performance and usage to maintain optimal service levels. This includes load balancing, server health checks, and scaling resources based on demand. User interaction. The user can access, modify, or share the requested data or service in real time from any internet-connected device, thanks to the seamless integration of cloud computing. This process repeats every time a user interacts with the cloud, making services accessible, efficient, and scalable. Now you know how the cloud works. Feel free to leave a comment on what you would want to know about how it works, and share this video with your friends, family, and relatives. Moreover, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so as to never miss an update of how things work. See you on the next one.